DSM is a company which exists already for 100 years. We started in a coal mine, that's also where the abbreviation is coming from, Dutch state mines. We're now into the material science and the life science. Within DSM, I'm responsible for everything around web applications, integration services and collaborative services. 8 years ago, we started to standardize the business processes, like we have purchase to pay, finance, order to cash. For that, we implemented these processes in SAP. And whenever we do an acquisition, we try to bring the new business into these standard processes. We also need standardization to the outside world. And that finally helps us in what we call the extended enterprise. One of the examples we're very proud of is VMI. VMI stands for Vendor Managed Inventory. We continuously monitor the stock of the customer and will never have a kind of stock outage. Next to that, we are able to ship full truckloads. That saves a lot of money. Also, we eliminate the purchasing process of the customer side. So that's really supply chain optimization. So overall, VMI is bringing a lot of benefits for both customer and DSM. But we have other examples. That's the purchasing of MROs, maintenance, repair and office supplies, like the purchasing of a Dell computer. I will be provided by an online catalog where I can choose my laptop automatically. Then it generates automatically a purchase requisition. It gets automatically the approvals. It will send out automatically the purchase order. We get back automatically the order confirmation, and the vendor will send us the invoice automatically, which is then automatically be verified with our systems. And then finally we bring the payments to the corporate treasury department. They will do the payment to the banks, and the banks will pay the vendor. You can see one extended enterprise with a lot of processes fully covered with the integration via web methods and fully automated. The web methods products are first place. The broker actually is the central hub in our IT landscape. Next to that, we have the integration server, which is really dealing with the integrations in the inside world. We have a lot of adapters. One of the most famous adapters we have is SAP. We have the trading network server, and they're actually dealing with the integration to the outside world. The first implementation we did regarding B2B onboarding took us weeks, thanks to web methods software. It takes us less than 2 days to bring a new customer on board. Now we're ready to make the next steps so that we can really steer on process KPIs. Web methods is very key in our IT landscape. It really brings us the value of dealing with acquisitions and divestments. So it's easily to plug and unplug systems. And whenever an integration comes, we can handle it, no problem.